Amazon Prime Day 2026 is here, and the savings are rolling in fast. This year's event is packed with massive discounts on tech essentials, and dash cams are among the hottest deals. From 4K mirror cams to triple-channel setups with Starvis 2 sensors, Prime Day slashes prices on some of the most advanced car security gear you can buy. Let's dive into the best dash cam deals you can grab right now before the clock runs out. $70 A810 Lite 4K Dash Cam. Regular price $149.99, now $89.98, 40% off. Featuring dual front and rear cameras, HDR night vision, GPS tracking, and 24-hour parking mode, it keeps your car protected day and night. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE remote access, and voice control, you'll stay connected and in control. Emergency lock and loop recording ensure critical footage is always saved. 70mm T800E 4K Dash Cam. Regular price $139.99, now $109.99, 21% off. This 3-channel system records front, rear, and inside in crisp 4K with GPS tracking, HDR night vision, and loop recording for complete coverage. Wi-Fi 6 keeps footage accessible, while voice control and parking monitor add convenience and security. With a 64GB SD card included, this Amazon's Choice dash cam is ready to safeguard your drives day and night. REDTIGER F9 4K front and rear dash cam. 4K up front, 1080p at the rear, and a 170-degree field of view that leaves nowhere for trouble to hide. WDR night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and loop recording make this a solid full-time co-pilot. You save $25, 23% off. Big coverage, compact camera, smart price. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K front and rear dash cam. Starvis 2 sensor, HDR, touchscreen controls, voice activation, and a 128GB card already included in the box. Front footage hits 4K, while the rear stays crisp at 1080p around the clock. You save $30, 18% off. Everything in the box, nothing left to buy. VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel dash cam. Regular price $359.99, now $299.99, 17% off. Featuring dual Starvis 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, it records in 4K plus 2K plus 1080p for crystal clear front, inside, and rear footage. HDR night vision ensures sharp detail in low light, while GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and voice control keep you connected. With 24-hour parking mode and triple camera coverage, this dash cam delivers premium protection for every drive. ROVE R3 3-channel dash cam. 3 lenses, 1 complete picture. Front, cabin, and rear all captured in stunning clarity with IR night vision that actually works when it's dark. Touchscreen controls, GPS tracking, and up to 512GB storage means your commute is covered from every angle. That's $100 off, 33% down. Peace of mind, finally priced like it should be. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. Your rear view mirror just got a serious upgrade. A wide 12-inch display replaces guesswork with crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear footage, slashing blind spots for good. GPS, Wi-Fi, night vision, and a free 32GB card round it out. You save $40, 24% off. Smarter driving starts with a smarter mirror. ROVE R3 4K Pro Dash Cam. 4K at 30 FPS or 25K at 60 FPS. This dash cam doesn't compromise on clarity, day or night. Wide-angle lens, dual-band Wi-Fi, voice control, and parking protection make it a full-time guardian for your car. Supports up to 512 GB. You save $50, 31% off. Crystal footage without a crystal price tag. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Dash Cam. The flagship triple camera setup records front, cabin, and rear in 4K plus 2.5K with Starvis 2 sensors that see sharp detail even at night. GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and up to 1 TB of storage make this the most thorough car security you can buy. You save $120, 29% off. Total coverage, serious discount. Record every angle with the Vantrue N2X 2.7K dual dash cam. Regular price $199.99, now $151.99, 24% off. Featuring HDR IR night vision powered by Starvis 2, it captures crystal clear footage inside and outside your car, even in low light. With GPS tracking, 2.5K/60 FPS recording, G-sensor, and 24/7 parking mode, your vehicle stays protected day and night. Voice control and support for up to 512 GB make this dashcam a reliable companion for every drive. E-YEEGER Dash Cam. Regular price $49.99, now $42.99, 14% off. Recording in sharp 2560p resolution, it covers both front and rear views with WBR night vision for clear footage even in low light. A compact 2-inch IPS screen makes playback simple, while the G-sensor locks critical clips during incidents. With 24-hour parking monitor and support for up to 526 GB storage, this Amazon's Choice dashcam delivers reliable protection at an unbeatable price. Veement 4K rear-view mirror camera. Regular price $89.99, now $59.99, 33% off. This Amazon's Choice camera delivers ultra-clear 4K front plus a 1080p backup camera for complete coverage. With voice control, HDR night vision, and 24-hour parking mode, it keeps your car protected day and night. The sleek mirror design integrates seamlessly, while the included 32 GB SD card ensures you're ready to record from the start. That's the full lineup of Prime Day dashcam deals. Every link is in the description, so tap through before the discounts disappear. If this roundup helped you save or find the perfect cam, smash that like button and subscribe to Consumer Guide. We drop deal breakdowns every time Prime Day or major sales hit, so you'll never miss the next big price cut. Drive smarter, stay protected, and enjoy Prime Day the way it was meant to be, packed with real savings.